in America. If you can hear me, Merry Christmas. I walked the wrong direction for 45 minutes because in the center of Moscow, the GPS is turned off so that the enemy can't geolocate positions here. So I was so worried I wouldn't make it to church, and I made it here just in time. How beautiful is this? This is a Christmas miracle. Literally. Here I am in Moscow, Russia, on Christmas. Literally been dreaming about this since I was 12. 12 years old, been dreaming about this, and here I am.